Gold! It's the stuff of legends and dreams. Since ancient times, we've been captivated by its warm glow and enduring value. We adorn ourselves with it, trade it for goods, and build economies around it. But have you ever wondered where gold comes from? It's not like you can just whip up a batch in your kitchen. Creating gold is no easy feat. It's a process that happens on a cosmic scale, deep within the hearts of stars. Gold is an element, a fundamental building block of matter. You can't just mix other elements together and get gold. It requires a fundamental transformation at the atomic level. We're talking about nuclear reactions, the kind that happen in stars. So, how do stars make gold? Through an incredible process called nuclear fusion. Imagine the immense pressure and heat within a star. It's so intense that atoms slam together, fusing and creating new elements. Gold is formed in the most extreme stellar events, like supernova explosions. It takes the power of a dying star to forge this precious metal. Talk about a cosmic recipe. We can recreate these nuclear reactions on Earth, but it requires massive machines called particle accelerators. These facilities are huge, complex, and consume enormous amounts of energy. It's not exactly something you could build in your basement. For centuries, alchemists were obsessed with transforming base metals into gold. They mixed potions, heated substances, and chanted incantations. But alas, their efforts were in vain. Alchemy was based on a misunderstanding of chemistry. It predates our modern understanding of atoms and elements. We now know that chemical reactions can rearrange atoms, but they can't change one element into another. The dream of turning lead into gold might sound romantic, but it's scientifically impossible. Alchemy remains a fascinating chapter in the history of science, but it's not a path to riches. Section 4. Acquiring your golden treasure. If you can't make gold at home, how can you get your hands on some? Well, the easiest way is to just buy it. Gold is a global commodity, traded on exchanges around the world. You can purchase gold in various forms: bars, coins, and even gold-backed securities. Investing in gold can be a way to diversify your portfolio and potentially hedge against inflation. Of course, the price of gold fluctuates, so it's essential to do your research before making any investments. Remember, even though you can't create gold, you can certainly participate in its fascinating market. Section 5. Seeking gold. From rivers to e-waste. Some people try to extract gold from electronic waste. Old computers, phones, and circuit boards contain small amounts of gold. However, this process is challenging and potentially hazardous. It requires strong acids and chemicals to dissolve the gold, creating toxic waste. There are also legal considerations. Disassembling electronics for precious metals might require permits and licenses. Then there's the traditional method gold panning. This age-old practice involves sifting through river sediment to find tiny flakes of gold. It's a fun hobby, but don't expect to strike it rich. Gold panning is more about enjoying the outdoors and the thrill of the hunt. The amount of gold you're likely to find is minuscule. But hey, it's a great excuse to get some fresh air and maybe learn a bit about geology. In the end, while you can't create gold at home, there are plenty of ways to appreciate and even invest in this captivating element. So keep marveling at its beauty, understanding its cosmic origins, and remember, the real treasure is knowledge.